Camping advice you must know before going. Camping is something that is fun for the entire family. Whether you are new to camping, or are a seasoned veteran, there are always things you must consider before venturing out on your next camping trip. The following video will help prepare you for your next trip so that you have a good and safe time. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. Those big, colorful plastic storage bins make excellent places to store and organize all of your camping gear. While at home, keep it in a closet or the garage, and right before you leave for your camping trip, pop it in the trunk. It should keep everything airtight, dry and easily accessible. If you are going on a camping adventure, make sure you have enough time to set up camp before dark. It can be extremely difficult to set up camp in the dark and possibly unsafe. You need to be able to scout the terrain, prepare bedding, and possibly build some temporary shelter prior to the sun going down. Particularly, if you have children, you need to consider what to do if you have inclement weather one day. Gather together a few supplies to have on hand in case you need to stay in your tent. Bring a board game, Play-Doh and art supplies. Don't let your family members touch these items until it rains so that they don't lose their appeal. As was stated in the beginning of this video, a great deal of preparation must be done before heading out on a camping trip. The tips provided in this video is a great way to make sure that you've taken care of all the essentials so that your camping trip will be as safe and enjoyable as possible. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.